So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get custom text on your lock screen using your emoji symbols, of course, custom text, and you can also have your battery percentage displayed on your lock screen at all time. Now the first thing you need to do is of course download an application that will allow you to add custom text on your lock screen. And you must be running iOS 16. Of course, the links will be down in the description below. As of now, this application is under beta, so I'm using this using flight test. And when iOS 16 is officially launched, this application will also be launched on the App Store. So right now this application is in the beta stage. So when this application will be out officially, when iOS 16 is out, that time I'll make sure I'll leave the link down in the description. You can just go there and download the app. That will be around September, so stay tuned. So here's the application right here, and to download this app, first you'll have to download Test Flight, which the link also will be down in the description. You just go there and download the app, and then you use Flight Test to install the actual app on your iPhone, as you can see. And again, once the app is officially launched on the App Store, I'll leave the link down in the description. You can just go there and download it from there later, and you will not need to download the Flight Test app. So that is the LockScreen widget collection. Now, as I mentioned, this app allows you to do more than just custom text. You can also display the battery percentage on your lock screen of your iPhone. So if you want the battery percentage, of course, you can just go and edit it just by tapping on your lock screen, by long pressing it and customizing mode. And here at the top, you can just tap on this top bar and can change it. And here you get the options. Once you're set up, then you can just go ahead and tap on the actual text right here. It will bring up a menu and you can just choose the text which you want to add, and you also have some additional options. And this application also offers countdown options, so you can just change it to whatever date you want to count down. So right now it's counting down till 1st October. Battery percentage or custom text, the options which I want to feature in today's video. So right here now I have my custom text, and it's very simple to use this application. All you have to do is just simply launch the application and select this option. Now there's more options that will be added in the future. You can simply tap on the battery percentage and that gets added under the list. Under custom text, as I mentioned, you can also use emojis and things like that. So right here, if you go ahead and use an emoji, and if you want this Apple icon emoji, I'll leave the links down in the description. You can just go there and copy it from there. But again, you can also use your own emojis. Let's try here this emoji. So let's try this car and fire emoji. So just by clicking done, you're all ready. Now all of this is set up and implemented. So just like this, adding custom text to your lock screen and adding emojis and all this stuff, there are more similar apps coming in the near future. So stay tuned. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.